The perfect Spanish omelette recipe, a classic dish for every occasion. Tortilla Española, or Spanish omelette, is a versatile dish loved for its simplicity, flavor, and adaptability. Whether served as a satisfying main course, a cold picnic treat, or as delicious tapas paired with a chilled glass of sherry, this dish never fails to impress. Follow this step-by-step guide to create an authentic Spanish omelette that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Why you'll love this Spanish omelette recipe. A traditional Spanish omelette is not only easy to prepare, but also a crowd pleaser. It uses humble ingredients like potatoes, onions, and eggs, yet delivers exceptional flavor. Its versatility means it can be enjoyed warm or cold, making it perfect for everything from quick family dinners to entertaining guests. Ingredients for Spanish omelette. To create this classic dish, you'll need the following: 275G/10 Oz Desirée potatoes, thinly sliced and perfect for stewing. 3 tablespoons olive oil, adds richness and prevents sticking. 1 onion, about 4 Oz/110G, thinly sliced to blend seamlessly with the potatoes. 5 large free-range eggs. The base of the omelette, salt and freshly ground black pepper for seasoning. How to make the perfect Spanish omelette. 1. Prepare the potatoes and onions. Peel and thinly slice the potatoes into rounds. Work quickly to prevent browning. Pat the potato slices dry using a clean tea towel. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a 20 centimeters non-stick frying pan until smoking hot. Add the sliced potatoes and onions. Toss them to coat in oil. Then reduce the heat to its lowest setting. 2. Cook the potatoes and onions. Season generously with salt and pepper, cover the pan, and let the mixture cook gently for 20 minutes. Turn the potatoes and onions occasionally, ensuring they stew evenly without browning. Combining ingredients for the Spanish omelette. 3. Whisk the eggs. Break the eggs into a large bowl and lightly whisk them with a fork. Avoid overbeating. The texture should remain airy. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. 4. Mix potatoes, onions, and eggs. Once the potatoes and onions are tender, transfer them into the whisked eggs. Stir gently to combine, ensuring everything is evenly coated. Cooking the Spanish omelette. 5. Cook the omelette slowly. Heat the remaining tablespoon of olive oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Pour the potato and egg mixture into the pan, spreading it evenly. Reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Allow the omelette to cook slowly for 20 to 25 minutes, gently drawing in the edges with a palette knife to create a rounded shape. 6. Flip the omelette. When the surface is nearly set, place a plate or flat lid over the pan. Carefully invert the omelette onto the plate. Slide it back into the pan to cook the other side for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Serving suggestions. Serve your Spanish omelette warm or cold, sliced into wedges. Pair it with a crisp salad and a glass of Rioja for a true Spanish dining experience. Alternatively, cut it into cubes and serve as tapas with cocktail sticks. A classic Spanish tradition. Tips for a perfect Spanish omelette. Choose the right pan. A 20 centimeters, 8 inches non-stick pan is ideal for a 2 to 3 person serving. Ensure it's light enough to handle when flipping the omelette. Cook slowly. Patience is key to achieving the perfect texture. Low and slow cooking ensures the omelette is moist and flavorful. Experiment with add-ins. While traditional recipes stick to potatoes and onions, you can experiment with ingredients like bell peppers, cheese, or chorizo for a unique twist. Why this Spanish omelette recipe stands out. This authentic Spanish omelette recipe is a celebration of simplicity and flavor. The combination of tender potatoes, sweet onions, and rich eggs creates a dish that's both hearty and elegant. Whether you're recreating tapas night or looking for a comforting meal, this recipe ensures perfect results every time. Enjoy your homemade Spanish omelette, a true taste of Spain.